Hey there people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're finally installing something I've been waiting for, the Powertronic piggyback ECU. This little device can completely transform how your bike performs, and I'm super excited to get it fitted today. If you've been following the channel, you know I've already added a BMC air filter and a red Rooster exhaust. And the ECU, it's the next big step in unlocking this bike's full potential. So what exactly does the Powertronic do? It's a piggyback ECU, meaning it works alongside your stock ECU to fine-tune fuel and ignition timing. That means better throttle response, smoother acceleration, and an overall more refined ride. And trust me, this isn't the end. I've done quite a few more upgrades on the bike, and I'll be dropping videos on each of them very soon, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss those uploads. I got this unit from LRL Motors and it took about 10 days to arrive. I actually recorded an unboxing video, but my memory card got corrupted. Classic creator luck. No worries though, I'll still walk you through what comes in the box. In the box you'll get the ECU module, the wiring harness, zip ties, a mounting kit, and a user manual. It's a clean plug and play setup, no cutting or splicing needed. Right now I'm heading to Vgears to get it professionally installed. I prefer letting experts handle anything electrical. Better safe than sorry.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree.
Alright, we're here. My bike's already inside, and Vinod bro has started the installation. process is straightforward. Just connect the Powertronic harness to the stock connectors, mount the ECU securely near the battery, and check for proper connections. It's truly plug and play. Vinod bro's doing a perfect job. Neat, professional, and careful with every connection. That's why I always recommend getting your mods installed by someone who knows their stuff. And that's it. The Powertronic Piggyback ECU is installed and ready to roll. I can't wait to test how it feels on the road. Throttle response, power delivery, everything. I'll be doing a detailed ride review soon, showing you how it performs in real-world conditions. So definitely stay tuned for that one. By the way, this ECU is just one part of a full upgrade series I've done, from performance mods to aesthetic tweaks and even some tech add-ons. More exciting videos are coming up real soon, so make sure you're subscribed and notifications are on. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment if you've tried Powertronic or similar ECUs. I'd love to know your experience, and of course don't forget to share this video with your biking buddies. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.